So I found a template that's appropriate. Feel free to use Slide Master, View Master, change the color theme. I'm not going to worry about that. Delete all slides except slide 1. In the speaker notes, include template from slidesmania.com. So down here at the bottom on slide 1, template from slidesmania.com. Delete all slides except slide 1. So I'm going to click on slide 2, scroll all the way down, hold down Shift, click on the last slide, and delete. Okay. Use the title, continents, and the subtitle your name. If your template doesn't have a subtitle box, add it. So here we go. Continents. Your name. Remember, your name is supposed to be a little smaller because it should technically be in a subtitle. So it looks more like that. Maybe make the continents a little bigger so it stands out. All right. Slide 2. Insert a map. Insert an image of the world map. Okay. I'm going to insert. Because I know that I'm just putting a picture on here, I could use the caption one, but because I like the color, I'm going to go with this title in one column. Or it says click to add a title. I don't even need to. I'm just going to close that. I'm sorry, delete that and delete that. Insert. Image from the web. I'm going to do world continents. That'll work. Any of these work. You choose whichever one you like the best. I like this one because it actually has them colored. If you like a solid color, that's your choice and preference. Okay, moving on. Slides 3 through 9, title of each continent. Okay, so I'm going to add another slide. And title of each continent. And we're going with whatever order you want. Europe. Use the polyline tool to trace the shape of each continent. That was referring back to slide 2. So I'm back to slide 2. Use the polyline tool to trace the shape of each continent. Now this is a little easier. We don't have to be perfect. So I'm going to line, polyline. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just should be around most of it. It's okay if it goes a little beyond because it matches. Go to the next one. Polyline tool again. Trick is try not to cross the other parts of the other polylines. Okay, now let's go look back at the directions. For each polyline, make each polyline a hyperlink to that specific slide. Okay, so I'm going to click, we already have Asia open, so we're going to click on it. Hyperlink, slides in this presentation, Asia, apply. Just so I keep my head together, I'm going to go ahead and make that transparent fill and transparent border while it's selected. I'm going to go to the next one. And again, hyperlink. Slides in this presentation. Australia, apply. Again, while it's still selected, I'm now making it transparent. That's kind of like my clue to let me know I did that one. All right, let's go view the presentation and make sure it loads correctly. I click present. I click here. It takes me to North America. Perfect. I'm going to press escape to go back to the map. One more time, present. I'm going to make sure that South America, Antarctica worked. Perfect. So the only thing left to do is to make the view master to add a text box so that it hyperlinks back to the map slide. So how do we do that again? I'm on slide 3. View. Master. I'm going to insert a text box, preferably down here in the corner. Return to map. Highlight. Hyperlink. We're going to slides in this presentation. We're hyperlinking back to slide 2. Apply. I kind of like this formatting here, so if I want that formatting, I can click on it and use the paint format button. Highlight this text to make it also look the same paint format. The catch is though it's now white and it also doesn't look like a hyperlink, so just be careful that you fix the font so it actually looks like a color that people can click on, and maybe even put the underline there. You don't have to do that part, but you can. so let's go look at this lovely map again. So present, return to map, takes me there. Okay, should take me to Africa. I'm in Africa, return to map. Australia, I'm in Australia, return to map. Antarctica, return to map. So the only thing left to do is on each slide, except for slide 1, so slides 3 through 9, just add a picture of something that looks like that country. I don't care what it is, you decide. Something that looks like that country. Add an appropriate picture to slide 1. Once you've added an appropriate picture to slide 1 and a picture of some sort to slides 3 through 9, add it to the assignment to Google Classroom and turn it in.